Thanks for joining us for our math lesson today. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Hello. Let's do our meditation.
Think about our heart center.
That's right. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap and close your eyes. Good job. Feel for boom, boom in your heart center. Move your right hand to your lap. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And let's begin our lesson today. In this lesson, we're going to look at our basic shapes, and we're going to be talking about different ways to describe them. So we'll be talking about their sides, their corners, if they're round or flat, and we're going to do a worksheet at the end of the lesson to color in some of those shapes. And we'll do a PowerPoint to learn some of the ways we can describe those shapes. But first we're going to review just some of those shapes that we learned how to draw in our last lesson and last year. So raise your hand if you can draw a shape for me. What shape can you draw for us? Okay, come draw a heart for us. What can you draw for us? Circle.
Circle.
Come draw a circle for us. Okay. Draw a heart. Draw a circle. Draw it big. Big. Draw a circle. What can you draw for us? A star? Okay. A diamond, okay. Circle. Draw a big circle for us. Can you draw a triangle for us? Yeah, draw a big circle for us. What can you draw for us?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Draw a rectangle for us. You're gonna have to wait for let go or down. Okay. What can you draw for us, Pot? Square? Okay. Okay. Great job, friends. Looking good. We've got a heart with a little face on it. Oval? Okay. Here's one red. Ah, friends, okay, if you're drawing, You've got a few more seconds to draw. Thank you. That looks great. The circle? That looks great. Finish? All right. Very nice. Are we missing any shapes? Can we think of any other shapes? Thank you very much. Very nice. We've got faces on most of our shapes. Pretty fun.
No more shapes.
No more shapes? Okay. That's a good amount. I like that amount. That's a great amount of shapes. What's this shape?
Diamond.
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 What's this shape?
Heart.
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 Heart. What's this shape?
Star.
Star. Star. Where do we see stars?
In the sky.
In the sky. During the day?
No.
At nighttime. Good thinking, friends. What's this?
Circle.
Circle. Like a pumpkin. Circle.
Circle.
And the one that's long like an egg. Oval. 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 Like a chicken egg. What's this guy?
Triangle.
Triangle. Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Good. Yeah, like on the top of our home. It's like the roof. Yeah, good, buddy. Yeah, like our little houses. The triangle on top is the roof, and it makes a nice little triangle. What part is underneath the roof? What shape is underneath that triangle? Look at our houses.
How?
What shape is underneath that triangle? We've got a triangle on top and some squares on the bottom to make our house. Good.
Rectangle.
What's this?
Rectangle.
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 Great job, friends.
Square.
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 Very nice. So this square, what other shape does this square look like? Does
In a home. Roof.
like a roof? Does this triangle look like a circle? I mean, square look like a circle? Does this square look like a triangle?
No. Yes. No. No.
No.
Yeah.
What does this square look like?
Rectangle.
Kind of looks like a rectangle, right, friends?
She said diamond. The diamond.
Yeah, it could look, that square kind of looks like a diamond, like somebody turned that square on its side, like this diamond. Or this square kind of looks like this rectangle, like someone had a square and then pulled one side to be longer to make it a rectangle. Or they had a square like this and they pulled one side to make it longer or taller. So that rectangle kind of looks like a square, just a little bit longer and stretched out. And that square kind of looks like a diamond if we tilt it on its side. Sort of looks like a diamond. Sometimes the diamonds are long, sometimes they look just like a square tilted on its side. What about this circle? What does this circle look like?
Oval. Oval.
Circle looks like the oval. Good. Yes, it looks just like that circle got stretched and pulled longer to make a longer oval. So the oval is kind of like a circle, but it's a little bit taller or a little bit longer than that circle. Yeah. Very nice, friends. What does the triangle kind of look like? Maybe kind of like a heart?
Star.
Cool.
Star.
Kind of like a star. Do we see some triangles in this star?
No. Yes.
Do you see any triangles in this star?
That.
Yeah, we've got some triangles in this star. So we see this triangle in the star. we see if we have a heart, we could even draw a square or a diamond. And we've got two circles. We could put those together and make a heart. So we have a lot of different kinds of shapes in our shapes here. We've got different shapes all over our classroom. Yeah, very nice. Look at this triangle. Triangle. Did we see triangles yesterday in our classroom?
Yes.
Where do we see triangles in our classroom? Like the roof? Yes. What has a triangle at your desk? The ear of a cat has a really nice triangle shape. We can make a little triangle with our fingers. Like the roof on our homes has a triangle. Very nice. Good thinking, friends. Do you see any rectangles around our classroom? Like the whiteboard? Good. That's a big rectangle. Our TV, the erasers, our pencil boxes. Good, friends. We've got a lot. We've got a lot. Your backpack. Very nice. Ruler. What is that? Desk. Desk. Good thinking. Good thinking. Your colored pencil box. Okay, good job, friends. What about circles? Where do we have circles in our room? The clock. There's a little circle on your ruler. You've got some heart stickers with circles on them. Very nice. Very cool. Good job, friends. So we've got all these shapes all around our classroom. Does anybody remember what this part of the shape is called?
Triangle.
This is a triangle. Good. What about this part of the shape? Good, friends. This is a rectangle. Think about where I'm pointing. Do you remember what this is called and this is called? It has the same name even though it's on different shapes. Kind of like the chin of the shape. That's good thinking. It's like a little face, so that could be like its chin. Good. Okay, we're going to take a look at our PowerPoint and learn some of those parts of the shape, like this part, and these parts, and this part here. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint. Okay, let's learn about some of the different parts of the shapes we know and how we can describe them. So today we're going to be talking about describing the shapes of, what's this? Circle. Show me circle. Or a circle. Good job. What's this shape? Square. Show me a square.
And diamond.
A square. Diamond. Turn that square on its side. A little, or you can make a little diamond. Good. Nice. You can make a diamond like that. You made a really cool little diamond like that. Little tiny diamond. Very nice. What's this shape?
Oval.
Oval. It's like someone took that circle and pulled it longer, stretched it out. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Good work, friends. Very creative with those shapes. What's this shape?
Rectangle.
A rectangle. Good. This makes a nice rectangle. Is it still a rectangle if I turn it like this?
No. Yeah.
What do you think? Is it still a rectangle?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's still a rectangle. Even if we turn it like this. Same shape. Very nice. What is this shape? Triangle. You can make a nice little triangle. Good. Show me how you can make a triangle. Very nice. We've got a lot of different ways we can do that. And what's this shape? Heart. Show me a heart. Show me a heart. And we've got a heart right inside our body right there. Very nice, friends. Good job. So we know our shapes. Today we're going to talk about the side of a shape. Side. Do you know where the side is? Where? Close. Yeah. This is the side. So this is the side of your body. This is the side of your body. This is a side of your desk right here. That's the side of a ruler. So the side, listen up friends, the side is the edge part, this part. The side or the edge. What color is the side of our whiteboard? It's green. It's green, great job. So on our shapes, on our square, where do you think the side is? Can you come show us?
Yeah.
Come show us where the side is. You can show us on one of these shapes if you like. Good. Where's the side of our shape?
This.
Good. Can you show us another side?
Yeah.
Is there another side on that rectangle?
Yeah.
Show us. The top. Good. Is there one more side?
Yes.
Yes. Very nice. Great work. How many sides does that rectangle have? 4 sides. Very nice. Very nice. So our sides are right here on the edge. They go around that shape. Those are our sides. What about a diamond? Where's the sides on a diamond? Who can show us? Come show us. Show us the sides on that diamond. Where are they? Can you show us another one? Very nice. How many sides does a diamond have? 4 sides on that diamond. Great work. So the sides are all of the edges here. Everything that's around that shape. What about our rectangle? Who can show us the sides on our rectangle? Come show us. We looked at the rectangle already, but that's cool. There's one. There's another one. There and there. Very nice. How many sides on our square? How many sides on our rectangle? How many sides on our diamond? Very nice. These 3 shapes all have 4 sides. Good. What about our triangle? 3. Can you show us? We'll have some more friends take a turn. Down's going to show us. Show us the sides on that triangle. Sides. So there we go. Yeah. Well, these are a little bit different. We'll talk about those. That's cool. So this, and this. These lines, these sides. These are a little bit different. So we want to say 1, 2, 3. That's cool. Very nice. Good job. Good job. How many sides on our triangle? How many? 3 sides on our triangle. Think about a heart. Think about a heart. Think about a heart. Okay, well, just think. Do we have any sides like these lines on a heart? Do we have them? They could be. They could be, but do they stay straight or do they start to curve around? They kind of curve. So for it to be a side, it has to be just a straight line like this triangle, and like this rectangle, and like this square. We don't want any curves in those lines. It has to be straight, straight, or straight, straight. So for the heart, it does look like we've got some sides down here, but once they curve, that makes them not have any sides. So our heart, does it have any sides?
No.
No sides. No sides.
And oval.
What other shapes don't have sides?
Oval.
The oval, we don't see. Good, we don't see any lines on our oval or on our circle. They don't have any straight lines like this triangle and the rectangle and the square. Yeah, very nice. Circle, do we have any sides? No. Oval? No, you're right, friends. Good thinking. Star.
How many sides?
How many sides?
4 sides.
Good. What shapes have 4 sides?
Rectangle and square.
Square.
And diamond.
And diamond. Good, friends. Our rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Our square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. What about our diamond? 1, 2, 3, 4. You're right, it has 4 sides. Yeah. Our square has 4. Our rectangle has 4. How many sides does our diamond have? 4. Very nice. What about our triangle?
3.
How many sides on our triangle? 3 sides on that triangle. Very nice. How many sides on our oval?
0.
How many sides on our circle?
0.
Very nice job, my friends. Good thinking. We have 0. Just like that circle shape. 0. 0. Yes. Okay, corners. Corners. This is a corner of your desk. This is a corner of your desk. Can you put your fingers on the corner of your desk? Good. Show me the corners of your desk. Show me your corners of your desk. Where are the corners on your desk? Good. Show me the corners. Corners. Corners of your eraser? Good. Very nice. So friends, the corners are the places where those sides come together. They're the places here where those 2 lines touch each other. Right on the tips of my fingers, that makes the corner. The corner. So there's corners here. How many corners are on your desk? 4 corners on your desk. What shape is your desk?
Rectangle.
It's a little rectangle. So we have 4 corners on our rectangle. How many sides do we have on our rectangle? How many sides do we have? Yeah, we had 4 corners and 4 sides on that rectangle. Good memory, friends. What about a square? How many corners do we have on a square? Good. Just like that rectangle, we've got 4 corners on our square. So these are all of our corners. Right where those lines come together. How many on the rectangle? 4. And these are the corners on our diamond. Very nice. Can someone show us a corner on our triangle?
Yes.
Can you show us? Come show us. Where are the corners on our triangle?
Triangle. 1, 2, 3.
Very nice. We've got 3 corners on our triangle. How many corners are on our circle? Who can show me? Do we have any corners?
No.
No. Do we have any sides?
No.
What about our oval? Do we have any corners?
No.
Do we have any sides?
No.
Okay. Good thinking, friends. On our circles, we don't have any sides. We don't have any corners. No corners. What about our oval? No corners. Let's practice that word. Corners. It's like the word corn. Corners. 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 Good, friends. Very nice. So our circle has no corners. Our oval has no corners. Great job. Okay. Corners. Good. How many corners? How many corners? How many corners on a square?
4.
Good. 4 corners. How many corners on a rectangle? 4. You're right. What about this shape? What shape is this? Diamond, and it does have 4 corners. Good job, friends. Yep. You just turn that square on its side to make a diamond. Very nice. Okay, we're close. It does start with a k sound. This is curves.
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 Curve.
This is a curve.
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 Heart.
Kind of like a heart. We could have all different kinds of shapes of curves. Like this.
Oval. Oval.
Yeah.
Oval.
Good, friends. Like this. Is a curve. Same with this oval. We even have two curves on our little hearts. So the curves are when the line is not straight. Do you see any curves on these shapes? No, these shapes have, in the little face?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these shapes have flat sides, their lines and their corners are all like this. They don't curve. We don't have any curves on our squares, our rectangles, and our triangles, but we do see a curve on our circle and oval, and even some on our heart. So show me a curve with your hand.
Curve.
Curve. Curve. Good. Yeah, like this. Curve. Curve. Like a curve in your ruler. Good. Curve. Curve. Very nice. So a circle has a big curve all around. It's that part that's not straight. It's not straight like our triangle sides and our rectangle sides and our square sides. That curve moves around, almost in the shape of a circle or an oval or a heart. Take a look at this shape. Does it have a curve? Yeah, what shape is it? The oval. The oval also curves. It's not straight lines, it's a curved line. And our heart. And the heart, we've got our curve coming around this side. Very nice. So when we have a shape like our, what shape is this? Circle or the oval. We say those shapes are round. Round. Good, friends. It's just like from our preposition song, around, but we don't use the A. We just say round. Round. So a circle is round. An oval is round. Let's see what else is round. Round. Heart is a little different because it's not all the way around like our oval and our circle. So just our oval and our circle we call round, especially our circle. So the circle is round. Let's practice. A circle is round. A circle is round. Very nice job, friends. What's this?
Ball.
Is a ball round?
Yes.
Yeah, let's practice that sentence. The clock is round too. A ball is round.
A ball is round.
A ball is round.
A ball is round.
Good. What else is round, did you say, Latko? Our clock. Let's practice that. A clock is round. A clock is round. Let's practice. A clock is round. That part of our fan is round. What is round? Earth is round. Very good thinking. Good thinking, friend. What else is round? Our head is kind of round. Good thinking. Very nice. What's this? The sun. Is the sun round? Is the sun round? Yeah. The sun is round. Good. The sun is round. What else is round? What did you say? The moon is round too. Good. The moon is round. And Lacko also told us to What's this? The earth is round. Good. Let's practice the moon first. That's a great idea. The moon is round.
The moon is round.
Good. And the earth is round.
The earth is round.
Great job, friends. Before our next coloring activity, we're going to do our stretch break. So let's have everybody stand up. Push in your chair. And let's stretch your arms up high over your head. Stretch all your fingers out. Turn your hands forwards and backwards. Good job. Put your arms in a T and touch your toes. Come up halfway and swing your heavy arms. Good job. Let's do it again. Put your arms up high. Stretch all your fingers. Put your arms in a T and touch your nose. Okay, touch your toes. Oh, very nice. Come up halfway and swing your monkey arm. You can make some monkey sounds if you want to. Very nice. Stand up straight and tall, friends. Stand up straight and tall. Show me how you grow.
Small little ball.
Small little ball. You're gonna grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. And grow. Let's do it again. Get small.
Me.
Get small. You're gonna grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. And grow. Okay, last one. Get small. Get tiny. Get little. You're gonna grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more and grow. Very nice job. Let's do 3 big claps. Take 4 big steps. 2 big jumps. And 1 big spin. Very nice. Everybody can take a seat. For the next part of our lesson, we've got another worksheet. And it's very similar to the worksheet we did in our last lesson, where we colored in the picture of an animal. This time, what picture is this?
Boat.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a boat. So we're going to do the same thing that we did in our previous lesson. This time we have a chart. A chart instead of our sentences. So you're going to look at the shapes on this side. And you're going to count the number of shapes in the picture, and you're going to write the number here. So what are some of the shapes you see in this picture? Circles, rectangles, squares, and triangles. Very nice, friends. So you're going to count up the number of each of those shapes. You're welcome. Count up the number of each of those shapes. You're welcome. And you're going to write that number in your chart, and then you can color in that boat. So you're going to count your shapes. Count your shapes. Good. So count how many shapes you see in that picture. Good job on your date, buddy. Good job. First, put your name. Put your name. Good job. Don't forget your name and the date, friends. Yep, you can do the date. Yeah, it's time to practice the date. You know how to do it. This is your shapes. Shapes. What do you think this shape is? The first shape.
Rectangle.
Okay, you can do rectangles first.
Rectangle 6.
Rectangles. How many rectangles are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right.
5.
There's one. Yeah.
5.
There could be 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you see any more on the bottom?
No.
Is that a rectangle? What's that? Circle. How many circles? How many circles? 5? All right. Right. 5. Write a 5 right in there. 5. Yeah. 1, 2. Good. Rectangle. Hold on, buddy. Because you got your circle. Oh, we need that 5 right there. That's cool. You can fix it. Rectangles. Rectangles. It's like the square but long. Like a square but long. Okay. How many do you think there are? Square. 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 10 what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What shape?
Triangle.
Triangles? Okay.
10.
Cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. All right.
นี่ตาติดนายว่าติด rectangle and triangle ติด
Well, sometimes different people see different things. Like, look, I see a rectangle here. 1. I see another rectangle here. 2. Another one, 3. Another one, 4. Another one, 5. I see a rectangle right here. 6. So there's no right answer. Some people see 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rectangles. Yeah, how many do you see?
I think 5.
Okay, that's cool. Sometimes, friends, we see different shapes. We see different numbers of different shapes. So if you have a different answer than your neighbor, that's cool. Okay, so now you can color. Do your circles and your shapes.
ครูอีกจะวาดครูเอาเรือจนเสร็จ
Yeah, sometimes we see different shapes. Some friends might see shapes in different areas.
เขาจะได้
That's a really great one to find.
rectangle
Rectangle.
เป็นออกไม่บอกว่าไม่มีใครบอกติดชื่อ
Squares?
square
How many squares do you see?
6
6? Cool. Could see 6. What about this? Is this a square?
ตัวบอกแต่นี่ตัวบอก 7
What about this one? 8. Yeah, sometimes we see bigger shapes made up of smaller shapes. So if you see different numbers than your neighbor, that's cool. Some friends,
26
nice. Some friends look at pictures differently, and that's cool. Sometimes we see different shapes inside other shapes. That is another rectangle. Good. Yeah, so we might see more shapes as we're coloring. We might think, oh, there's a rectangle around this triangle. Or we might see some squares. Yeah? Nice. 30 shapes altogether? Nice. The more we look at something, the more we see different shapes. We might see different pictures that we didn't see before. We might see different patterns. So if you see different shapes in your neighbor, that's a good thing. Everyone's mind works differently. You got 26? That's cool.
equal 10, 10 and 20 and 6.
Good. You found 26 shapes. Very nice. That's great. That's cool. If you found 22, that's all right. Everyone looks at them differently, so they might see different shapes in different places. You see 26? That's great.
ไม่เอาผมจะเป็นที่คือเราหนึ่งสองสามสี่ไม่ใช่
How many do you
ติ
see?
ดดาว
That's okay. Some people see differently.
ติดมีโฟ
That's okay. Where are the rectangles? Where are they? Show me the rectangles. How many?
ติด
1, 3, 4. Cool. If you see 4, that's great.
อันเมื่อวานน่ะยังไงก็เหมือนมดเลยคุณฟังคุณแล้วก็เอาไปอะไรno beautiful
Hi.
ติด no ติด
Oh, you like that under?
ติดชุดติดตุ๊กตาตุ๊กแก
Okay.
โอ้เซ่บลูบลู
What's this? A square. So some more squares in there? Yeah, nice job. Looking good, friends. Boats. So many different shapes in this boat. I like it. Cool. Very nice. And sometimes the way we color those shapes, we see different and new shapes. Like Pot. Can I borrow your paper? Look at Pot's paper, friend. The way he colored his boat, what do we see here? What two shapes do we have here? We have a red and a green what? What are these shapes? There's a red one and a green one. Triangles? Yeah, those are all inside, and then if he looks on the outside edge, he's got two big squares by the way he colored it. So sometimes when we look at those papers, yeah, we see different shapes by the way we color it. The more we look, the more we start thinking about those shapes, and we see different things sometimes. Very nice work, friends. These are looking great. Very cool. I like how you colored those yellow triangles. Some dark yellow, some light yellow. Very nice. I like it. I like it. Good job. Very nice. Ooh, what color? What color are these rectangles? Good.
เช่นติดติด
Windows? Oh, open up those windows and shoot out. Nice. Very nice. Look at this. How many rectangles do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Does this make a big rectangle?
Yeah.
5. Very nice. Cool. Look at this. Does this make another shape? All these squares together? What shape does that make all together? All these squares together. What shape does that make?
Rectangle.
Yeah, another rectangle. Well, there are so many different shapes we can see in these boats, friends. If we look again and again, we see more and more shapes. Different shapes making up bigger shapes. Very nice. Very nice. Look at these squares. Look at all those nice squares. Yeah. Cool. Looking good, friends. Javier's got a cool striped boat. Very nice. Yellow and blue boat. Very cool, friends. Looking good. Very nice work. So many different shapes. What are some of the shapes you see in this picture, friends?
Circle.
Circles. What's another shape in our picture?
Rectangle.
Rectangles.
Square.
Squares.
Triangle.
Triangles. Yeah, awesome job, buddy. Can I borrow this? Let me borrow this. Friends, look at this. Look at the way Tew colored his triangles. Did that make 2 new triangles? Yeah. So cool. So the more we look at this picture, the more we color those shapes, the more we see different shapes in the other shapes. Can I borrow your paper really quick? Look at this. Look how down colored. Yeah, look how she colored these squares all together. Does that make a new shape?
Yes.
What shape does that make?
Rectangle.
Makes another rectangle. So the more we color those shapes, the more we see different shapes. We see small shapes making up a big shape. We think about it differently. So we see a lot of cool different shapes all in there. Yeah. Look at this. Look how Lacko colored. She's got purple rectangle all around here with her squares. And this top part, she's shown us another rectangle. Very nice work, friends. Great job. Okay. Thanks for joining us for our lesson today. Tell me some of the shapes in our picture. Circle, rectangle, square, and triangle. Great job, friends. We'll see you on our next lesson. Can everyone say goodbye?
Goodbye.